Here is the classic 8 balls puzzle. All 8 balls look identical, but one of them is slightly heavier. You have a balance scale, and you may use it only 2 times. Can you always find the heavier ball? First, label the balls A through H. Divide them into 3 groups: A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, H. So we have 3 balls, 3 balls, and 2 balls. For the first weighing, place A, B, and C on one side of the scale, and D, E, and F on the other. Leave G and H aside. Now there are 2 possible outcomes. First, suppose the scale balances. That means A, B, C, D, E, and F all have the same weight. So the heavier ball must be one of the 2 balls we did not weigh, G or H. For the second and final weighing, compare G with H. Whichever side of the scale goes lower contains the heavier ball. So if G goes lower, G is heavier. If H goes lower, H is heavier. Now consider the other result. From our first weighing, suppose the A, B, C side goes lower. Because we already know there is exactly one heavier ball. It must be somewhere inside A, B, or C. The other 5 balls can now be ignored. For the second weighing, compare A against B and leave C aside. This single comparison is enough to identify the heavier ball. If A and B balance, neither of them is heavier. So C must be the heavy ball. But if one side goes lower, the ball on that lower side is heavier. For example, if A goes lower, then A is the answer. So the strategy is simple. Split the 8 balls into groups of 3, 3, and 2. Weigh the 2 groups of 3. If they balance, compare the remaining 2 balls. If one group is heavier, take 2 balls from that group and compare them. In every possible case, the heavier ball is found in only 2 weighings.